Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video, we are looking one more scenario based question on the flow designer. So question is flow designer. Like we have to create a workflow for a problem record by the flow designer. So I will let you know the scenario. I will open my PDI. So here you can see I will open up one problem record. Suppose I will create one new problem. Click on new. So our scenario is like whenever like here as of now you can see we have created one new problem. So in which you can see this is the original task. Task is nothing but we have to map the instance. Suppose you have a create one incident. Behalf of that one, we can create one problem. So we have tried map the one incident. So we have to select anything. So, suppose I will select this incident. Click on that one, and we have to write the test problem statement. So we can just for testing, I will write incident and testing. And here you can see after clicking on save, click on save. So now we have to make this is a manual step. Here you can see click on new. After clicking on new, you can see we have to move this problem record in the SS1. So with the here you can see we have a one SS button. Click on that one, then it will move to the SS. So after clicking on that one, like as of now you can see we don't have anything to perform, right? So here you can see we don't have any approval. Suppose we have to move this problem to SS state. After clicking on that one, so okay, we have to provide one assign to for that one. So we just provide the anything. Suppose you have to, as of now we can do problem administrator. Click on that and okay. So now we have to move this problem new to SS, right? So here you can see we the assign to is there. So as of now we don't have any approval, right? So we can make it as with the help of manual. You can see when confirm button is there. So if you click on that one, it will move to this confirm and it will move to the root cause analysis, right? So what we have to do, we have to make a flow when the problem state should be as is, like in as is, then we have to make an approval. So based on we have to add the one approval, and based on the approval is reject, then request reject that problem, then we have to make this as is state to new, and if it is approved by the approval, then we have to make this problem record to the root cause analysis, right? So we have to map we have to do this with the help of flow. And one more thing we have to do, like after approving that records, so we have to just suppose in that case I will just click on confirm, then it will move to the root cause analysis. Now here you can see it will root cause analysis and now I have moved this task in the fix in progress. So click on that, click on fix. So I will let you know we have to some mandatory field, so we have to fill, so we have to write it as a test and same as for test, and we just click on OK. After clicking, like after you just move the state in a fix in progress and you move to the in the resolve state, then this associated task that is here you can see the state should be closed, right? And we have to send one. Now as of now you can see the state should is closed, so we have to take one incident that state should be like in progress or on hold or new, right? That thing we have to change accordingly. And like when the someone is moved to the fix in progress to resolve, then automatically the state of the incident should be resolved, and we have to send one email to the caller of the incident our incident and problem is resolved. Okay, so this thing we have achieved with the help of flow designer. So I will let you know how can we do that one. So we just open the flow designer. We have to create one flow for that one. Just click on the flow designer. So we have to create one new, like click on new and click on flow, and we have to provide the name of that flow. So as of now we can provide workflow of problem. Okay, and click on this and system user inset. Okay, we just make it as same and click on build flow. After clicking on the build flow, now here you can see we have a trigger condition. So as of now we have seen when the state should be new to SS. So at the time this flow is triggering, right? So we have to add a trigger condition. So click on this. First you have to click on edit flow. Now click on add trigger. Condition should be like when we have to update the state, right? So we have to set the update record, and we have to select the table. So table is problem. Click on problem, and we have to add the condition. Condition should be like state is access, right? So we make state is access. Okay, then click on done. And here you can see run trigger condition is there, right? So based on our requirement, you can select like for each unique changes, for like only for current running, and for everyone, for every update, right? So as of now, I am not changing anything. Just click on once and click on done. After clicking on done, then we have to just after the states in access, so we have to ask for approval, right? So we just make an 80. Just click on action. We can take ask for approval. We have one action task there 80, so we have to just click on ask for approval, and we have to select the record should be like that you trigger. Click on that, and problem record, right? Now here you can see approval is rejection, right? So we as of now we can take approval, so we click on here. So anyone can approve from you approvers, so we can make it as here. And now you can take it as a dynamic and static way. If you want make any users, you can write it from here. Like here you can see, if you want to add any user for approval, you can click here, then you can add it. Click on here and you can select, and you can add it, right? And if you want make it as, like here you can see add any group, then you can click it here and write the name of that group. It will automatically add that group of approval, right? And or if you want to add as a itself, then you can just click on here, click here, then add and manually, right? So click, as of now I am not taking as one, I am taking as a dynamic one. So how can I say, how can I do that one? So here you can see we are data picker is there. So click on data picker. We can take it as a assign to. So click on problem record. Here as of now you can see problem record. Click on this, and now you can see we have assigned to. So click on assign to. So whatever is assigned to, we can take it as a approval for there. Click on here and click on done. And now here you can see after ask for approval, we have two cases. First case is like approval is approved, and second case is if approval is rejected, right? So in that case, what we have to do, suppose in the approval is approved, so we have to just move the state of that problem record to the root cause analysis. And if the approval is like reject, then we have to move the uh, move the problem record state should be access to new, right? So as of now, we can just click on flow. Now we have to ask if approval is approved. Click here, you can see if we write, we can take ask for approval. If approval state is there, so here you can see we have to select if approval is approved. Okay, then click on done. Then we have to take one action, and we can take as a else option. Click on done and make it as flow is else. If approval is reject, then we have to take one action. Suppose if approval is reject, so in that case we can take one action. So click on here, not here, click on, just click on cross. Mhm. Click on here and click on flow logic, not flow logic. We have to update the 80, right? So click on here. We can write the update record. We can take update. Mhm. Now here you can see we can take the record. Click on record, trigger record, and the problem record, right? That record we have to update. Click on the state. Click on additional fields. So you have to make it as state is new again, like approval is reject in that case, and we have to make the work note also so that it will understand easily. Here you can see make the work notes, and we can write rejected. Okay, click on done, and we have to move this. Yep. Okay, and same thing for we have to done. Click on like if approval is approved, in that case what we have to do, we have to just update the state of that record. So we have to update the record, and we just take the record from that problem one. Click on that one, that record, and we have to make the state should be next. So click on edit like field, the state is next, like we have to do route cause analysis, and we have to just add the work notes, like approve is approved. So as of now we can write approve. Approve work notes is approved. Okay, click on done. After like this one is done, then after that what we have to do, if we have to check that record, suppose this is a record, like here you can see moving the record from access to root cause analysis. Then after that we have to wait till like the this record is moved to the resolve, right. After moving this problem record to the resolve one, then we have to make these tasks that are associated here, we have to close that one, right. So for that one we have to make one action. In that one we have a 180s for that one. Like I think we have to wait for something. Just give me a 1 minute. Here you can see. Not here. We have action is wait. Wait for condition. We can make it as, suppose here you can see in the service core we have a wait for condition. Click on that one. So here we mention that condition like where till we have to wait this flow, right? So as of now we can take that one. Click that record. We have to select the problem record and we map the condition. Condition should be like state of the problem record should be resolved. We have to wait till there. If like if the state should not be resolved, then we have to wait till that one, right? So click on done. And after clicking on like it will suppose the condition is met. So at that time we have to update that thing. So click on action. Then we have to update the record. So click on update. Now here you can see we have to update the record of the incident, not the problem one, right? So you can just select here data picker trigger, then click here, and now you can see we have a original. Here you can see original task is there. So click on select that task. Not okay. We have to just this is take the task one, so but we have to take the incident, right? Click on the this one and problem record, then origin, then go inside and we have to map the uh, yeah, you have to map this I think same task one and make it as a state. uh, state state is resolved. So as of now we don't have resolved. Yeah, we have a resolved one. And like we know about that things like when we move the incident any incident to state resolve, so we have to map the two mandatory things like resolution code and resolution nodes. So, okay, so we have to take that one. So as of now you have to write resolution. Just give me a 1 minute. So as of now we don't, just we make it delete that one. Okay, we've the reason is that one we have to just first look up that record. Okay, what the record is there, right? So first we have to make lookup record, lookup record, and we take select the table. Table is like incident one. Okay, and conditions like of that one, sys ID of that one. So we have to take the, we can just give me a sys ID is we can take dynamic one. So click on trigger record, parent one, then we can original, and we click on that one. We can take a sys ID. Yep, and click on done. Then after we take that one and we have to update that record. So click on action. We just click on update, select the update record, and we just map that one. So click on that one and we just take it as fifth one, a lookup record, and click on incident. Just give me a 1 minute. Yep, lookup. So click on fifth one, lookup record, click on incident record, and now here you can see we have to make state should be resolved. Okay, and we have mapped the resolution code. and we just map the resolution would like resolved by problem, and we have mapped the resolution nodes, and we map the incident problem number. Click on there, problem record, and click on done. After just click on done, we have to just activate that flow. Click on activate, click on activate, take time. Okay, now we have to just create one new. So we have just click write the problem, click on new, create new. Okay, now here you can see we have map one incident first. I have mapped this one. This is a change request. Okay, we have to take it as an incident. You can select anything. Okay, select this one, and we have to check the condition. We call like state is resolved or not. For this one, we have a state is resolved. Check. Let's say this. What the state of that record? Yeah, suppose as of now the state is on hold. We can take this one. Click it here, and we have just mapped the problem statement. Make the testing, and we just click on save. After saving that one, we have to move this problem record to the SS1. So make it as click on SS. Before like we have to add the assign to. So we can map assign to. Suppose in that case we can take problem administration. Click on OK. After clicking on OK, we have to move this state to access, right? So now here you can see we have a approval is added. So just suppose in that case if I reject that request, this problem, so the state should be moved to the new one. So let's check. Just click on reject, and you have to refresh that one. Now here you can see when we state is resolved like rejected, then we state again move to the new one. Okay, I will open the flow once. So click on here, click on three icon, click on execution, and here you can see open that one. Now first case we have to take if the approval is reject. In that case what happen? If the approval is reject, then we have to update the state is new to again assess to new, right? Now let's check when the state is approved. Okay, so just create a new 102. We can take this one also, no problem. Just to click here, and we just remove that approval from here. Just now we just delete that one. After deleting that record, and we just move this to SS1. Click on SS. After clicking on SS, now here you can see we can just take this record number and we can test it here. Click on here, and now click on test. Okay, we just click here, open that one and see execution. Now here you can see it wait for approval, right? So we just go there and we just make it as approve. We just refresh that page. After refreshing that page, you can see the approval is that we have mapped, and just click on approve. After clicking on approve, let's see what happened. After we have to approve, you can see the state is moved to the root cause analysis and the work notes is updated, right? That we have mapped. So now it wait for condition, like we have mapped one wait condition. We have to refresh that flow. Click on refresh. Now here you can see it will wait. Wait for what condition? It will wait for condition like the problem record state should be resolved. Until then it will not, it will wait, right, that execution. So we just make it as click on fix, and we have to make some field. I'm just putting testing and testing, and click on OK. These are the mandatory fields that without filling that field you can't move it further. So now here you can see whether the state should move to fix in progress. Then we have to resolve that incident. Click on resolve. After clicking on resolve, then let's see the, here you can see the incident is pop up here. The incident, those are those that incident are associated with this problem is closed now. Previously that state should be on hold, right? So click on here, you can see the state should be resolved. And if you want to see the work note that we have attached, so click on, we just open that record. After clicking on here, you can see we have mapped the work notes. So here you can see these are the work notes that record by this problem. And here you can see the sysID scheme. So in place of sysID, we can write the map the problem task number. So just can close, and I will open the flow. Okay, now we have refreshed the thing. Now you can see the update thing is there. So it take the sysID of that record. So we just in place of 6 record, we have to write the number. So how can we do that one? Just click here. And one more thing, I forgot to add that no, send mail for the caller one, right? So here you can see we just click on update, and now here you can see in the place of this record we just map it as a number. Okay, click on number, then it will populate the number. Click on done. And then suppose now we have to send the mail for the caller, right? So we have to add that one. Click on action, we have to send the email, so we have to write a send, and we have email is there, so click on the send email. And now we have to take the record. Which record? Suppose the incident one, right? Click on that one. Update record, incident record. Okay, and 2 is nothing but like caller, so we have to map the caller. Suppose you have update record, incident record, and you have to write the caller. Okay, and we have to add the subject, like first we have to make the problem not resolve, and we take the problem, so we just take the problem number. Okay, again we have to do it number, otherwise it will take the sysID of that one. Like we can make problem number is resolved. Okay, and make is again. Okay, you can make the incident number also, and we just click on data picker, click on update record. Here you can see incident one, and you have to write the number. Click on number. Okay, now we have to write the body. Suppose I will take the body is like high caller, so we have to take the, with the help of data picker, click on this and go to the update record that we have take. Click on that, and we have to suppose the caller name, right? So we take the caller, and we just and we make the comment. Resolve the problem and incident. Okay, and click on done, and activate that flow. Click on activate. So I will create one more problem bracket so that you can see the email is trigger, right? So I will open that one, and click on problem. You have to write the problem and click on create new. And now here you can see we have to take the task incident one, those are not closed. Suppose I can take the 6th one. Let's see it close or not. It's already resolved, so we have to just make it as 5. This is not having, we don't have. You can take 7. Let's see it's close or not. It's on hold. Okay, no problem. So now, as of now, we can write the create a problem for incident. Okay. So we have right to create the problem for incident, and we can just move this, click on save, so that it will move to create and save. And now we have to move this new problem record to the SS1. Click on SS. After clicking on that SS, then we have to map the assign to. So this is a mandatory. So without this field you can't move further. So click on OK. After clicking on that field, then you have to move to the, here you can see now our flow is trigger and the approval is triggering, right? So based on the approval, here you have to refresh that page once. After refreshing that page, you can see we have our approval. So as of now, we can click the, we just approve that approval. Click on approve. Now here you can see what happened. After approving that request, we have to refresh. Now our flow is executed. As of now, our state is access to root cause, right? So, and now I will make it as fixed. Click on fix, and we have to write the, so we can write a test. Same thing, we have to copy and click on OK. After clicking on OK, then you have to fix that one. So click on resolve. After clicking on resolve, here you can see the previous, here you can see the modules are here, you can see resolved, right? State is resolved. And now let's see the email is triggered or not. So we have to go to the flow. So we have to just click on executions. Let's refresh that page. And here we have to just open the emails. So we just click on emails and just open the, click on emails, and here you can see this is the email that you have triggered. The problem number is this one and resolve incident this, right? So click on that one. After clicking on that one, you just click on preview. Click on preview. Now here you can see we just send the resolve the incident and incident and problem, and with the help of callers, we have to, in place of caller ID, we have to put the caller name. Okay, so we can do this with the help of, just click on the, just I will close that one. I will open the flow, so I will let you know from where it will take the SysID. Just click on here. We, in place of caller, we just make it as, click on here. Okay, we just remove and just click here, data picker, update, and incident record and caller, and we have to map the column name. So we have to write the name, so like first name or last name, you have to take the first name. So it will take the first name, we have to remove this thing. Okay, and we make it control chat. Hi, and click on done, and now we have to activate again. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, subscribe more such videos.